Here's a few things you may not have known about the 2019 Netflix Christmas hit, Klaus. First, this fictional origin story of Santa was in development for a decade, animated in Madrid at the direction of Sergio Pablos, who also wrote the script. Pablos is probably best known for co-creating the Despicable Me movies. Much of the character design was done by the incredible Torsten Schrank. Second, Klaus was shopped around to various studios before Netflix took a chance on it as their first animated film. I'm guessing they're happy they did, as the film was viewed by nearly 30 million in its first month on the platform and ended up being nominated for an Academy Award. While it eventually lost out to Toy Story 4, it did win the BAFTA Award for Best Animated Feature of 2020. And finally, Klaus is the first traditionally hand-drawn animated movie to make use of the volumetric lighting and texturing technology you're used to seeing in most CGI animated movies to give it that more 3D look. The final results give Klaus an amazing feel, making it well worth watching. One last bonus fact. Klaus was comedian Norm Macdonald's final film. He played the grizzled boat driver, Mogans. Go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, to learn how to draw the character Klaus, and much more.